Hello friends, hope you all are safe and sound. This is me Ismat Sheikh here with my next video which states 4 amendments in the Constitution of India that every student should be aware of. We students are our country's most powerful and important resource. Yes, we are important, but sometimes we end up being exploited and denied with our rights. It is really important that each grown up should know their rights, legal rights. Although in India there is no special rights and provisions solely dedicated to students, but here we are going to discuss 4 important laws in Indian Constitution that every student must know. Number 1. Right to Information. Article 19A. Right to information is an act of Indian Parliament that makes the right to information a fundamental right for the citizen of India. This right to information was passed by Parliament on June 15, 2005 and came fully into force on 12th October in the same year. Under the Right to Information Act, any citizen of India can request information from any public authority and the authority will have to revert back at the earliest or within 30 days. Number 2. Right to Equality. Article 14. Right to equality of Indian Constitution give equality before the law within the territory of India. This law is applicable to anybody and everybody who is inside the territory of India, including Indian citizens, corporations and foreigners. Number 3. Right to Education. Article 21A. Right to Education is an act of Indian Parliament which was made on 4th August 2009. This law describes the modalities of importance of free and compulsory education for children between 6 and 14 in India under Article 21A of Indian Constitution. Right to education makes accessibility of education a fundamental right of every child between the age of 6 and 14 and specifies minimum norms in elementary schools. Number 4. Right to life under Article 21. Right to life under Article 21 says that nobody, including the government, has the authority to end your life. Under this law, it is mandatory for the government to take appropriate measures to safeguard life by making laws to protect you. Right to life also makes it necessary for the government to take appropriate steps to protect you if your life is at risk. If a member of your family dies in circumstances that involve the state, you may have right to an investigation. So friends, these were the 4 fundamental laws of Indian Constitution which every student should be aware of. So this is me Ismat Sheikh signing off for the day. If you guys enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, inshallah, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Also don't forget to check out my previous videos from the description box. Thank you.